Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to take out the graphics card and replace it basically. So it's quite simple. You have to remove these two screws here to remove the side panel. Then you just slide the side panel out like that. And to remove the graphics card, there's this part right here. You just remove the screw here with a Phillips head screwdriver, just like that. And that little panel should come loose. You take the screw out. I think it's not completely out. Okay, good. Now it's out. Let me get a better camera angle. You just pull it out like that. Now all the parts are free. Now you can take the graphics card out. Show you how to do that. Let me get a flashlight. This room is dark. It's nighttime right now, so it's quite dark. Let me take the camera out of this mount. Okay, good. That's better. So in here, there's like a little tab. I don't know if you can see that or not because it's being blocked by the cables. There's a little tab right there, a white tab, where my flashlight is at. You just push in the tab and release the graphics card and pull it up. Can't do that when my hand is in the camera, so I'm going to put this back into the mount. So the tab, hopefully, it's on the side. You just push in, and then you just pull this up. And after I remove the graphics card, you should be able to see the tab, which is right. Right there. You have to push that in and pull the graphics card out to release it. So that's how you do it. So to put a new graphics card in, let's say this is a new graphics card, you just align it to the slot and then just push down on it and it should just lock it right in place. Get to another. There we go. Quite difficult to do on camera. Let me just remove this thing. Put it in later. It's not really difficult to do. It's just hard to do on camera. Okay, now it's in. Just snap right in place. Get graphics cards in. I want to put this back in. Change the camera back. Okay, now they're in. Just just like that. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4. They're all in. Now I want to put this bracket back in. Get another camera angle. See that better. Just get it in like that. There's like a little hook. You see that little hook? These little clips, like, they go into the indents in the back. This one and this one, they just go into the indents like that. That's how it kind of like locks in, just like that. Put the screw right in the middle. Oops. Okay, good. And just screw it in, and that's it. Now your graphics card should be firmly in there. The graphics card's in there, and just slide the panel back on. Goes in just like that. Just slide right in. Just like that. And, just put the screws back in, and that's all there is to it. You could mount, I think you can mount up to a GeForce GTX 1080 in this computer. And this computer has a legacy BIOS, so you should be able to mount anything from a GeForce GTX 470 to a GTX 1080. But if you add a 1080, then you have to add another, you need to add a better power supply. So that's how you get the graphics card in. And this could take long graphics cards. The case is long enough for it. So anyways, thanks for watching. My Ace 1000 KS 1975 signing out.